Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is an all-day clean with me, so it's packed with cleaner motivation to help you tackle your to-do list and clean right along with me today. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
You might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar.
So I'm starting off in the bedroom. I love to make my bed first thing in the morning. It just sets me up and helps me have a much more productive day. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the bed, tidy the bedroom, and just get it looking a little bit more put together before I can head through into the bathroom. So lately I have tried to keep on top of the bathrooms. If you've been here before, you know that I hate doing the bathrooms and I leave them way too long. But I'm trying to add them to my daily cleaning routine, and just giving them a quick wipe over every day keeps them nice and clean, and then I can go in and give them more of a deep clean about once a week. So I'm just going to go in today and give them a good wipe over with some anti-bac wipes just to make sure that they are still nice and fresh.
It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
So I'm not going to be doing the shower today. Everything just needed a quick wipe over so I can go back in and do the shower when I give it more of a deep clean. So I can now head back through into the bedroom, and I'm just going to go round and give everything a good dust over. I love dusting. I just think it makes the room so much more cozier and just smell super fresh. So I'm just going to wipe everything over before we can then head downstairs and crack on with the kitchen and the front room and just make everything nice and cozy, ready for the day.
You're still yearning for something. You're still burning and wanting out of the fray and into the day of eternity. Only you and me. We both walked away from nothing to say, where all hope's been used. Nobody sees the truth. Of course we're yearning for something. Yeah,
so once that was all done, I headed down to do the living room, and the first thing on my list is just to tidy it up. As you can see, everything always ends up everywhere, so I've just got to go in and put everything back where it belongs, sorting out all the blankets and cushions, getting rid of any rubbish, and just making it look a little bit more put together and less dishevelled, because it looks like this every single morning. So I'm just going to go in and neaten it up.
Start to believe, will you start to believe that it's real?
So I just want to take a second and explain why we have so much cardboard around the place and chewed up cardboard boxes. If you're new here, we do have a free roam house rabbit. So he's not a caged animal. You'll see him hopping around in my videos, but just seeing the cardboard without seeing the rabbit might be a little bit confusing. So I just wanted to explain why we have chewed up cardboard boxes. He has lots of toys, but that one box in the background seems to be his favourite thing to chew on. So we always have it just in the front room for him to gnaw on. And yeah, he's super cute, 4 months old, called Cinnabon, and he's just super adorable. So just wanted to explain that if you are new here and you were wondering why all of the cardboard.
Burning and wanting when this battle is over, and we're not very much older, but jaded indeed. We've got skeleton keys. When the darkness is over and your heart's getting closer, closer to me, will you start to believe? Will you start to believe that it's real?
So I'm now going to go in and wipe down the double doors, and these are something that I'm trying to keep on top of as well. Since having Cinnabon, he likes to sit at the bottom and put his paws up, like he'll sit on his hind legs and press his front paws against the glass, just looking out. And he doesn't go outside or anything, so I just assumed that his paws are clean and it wouldn't leave like any marks, but it does. It leaves paw prints and smudges and things along the bottom, and then of course our fingerprints and everything at the top. So I need to try and go in and remember to wipe them down more often than before. So I'm just going to go in using the Method glass cleaner in the fragrance mint, because that just smells absolutely beautiful. And to do the frame, I'm just using the Sephora, and doing these double doors makes the whole room smell amazing.
Will you start to believe? Will you start to believe? It's not a under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
So once I had those done, I then headed through into the kitchen, and we do go back into the front room to give it a hoover a little bit later, but the kitchen was literally calling my name. I can't leave it a mess for too long, so I'm just going to go in, wipe all the sides down, do the washing up, and just get it nice and clean and ready for the day, because a dirty kitchen honestly gives me anxiety. I can't deal with it, so I need to go in and give it a good clean. I really hope you're enjoying today's video so far. If you are and it's given you tons of motivation, then don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel. I post every Monday to Friday, so there is tons of cleaning motivation here on this channel, and I would love for you to stick around and be part of my little YouTube family by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also clicking the bell. That way you'll get notified every time I post and you won't miss another upload.
Under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah, yeah. There's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
So So once I had all the washing up put away, I could go in and clean the sink. I love doing this. Let me know down in the comments what your favourite chore is. Mine is definitely cleaning the sink and hoovering. Those two things are my favourite, and I don't think the kitchen looks finished unless you have a nice shiny sink. So I'm just going to go in using the Cif cream because that's my favourite product, and then again going in with the white vinegar spray afterwards and a dry microfiber cloth just to buff it up and make it super shiny.
Stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel like I'm chilling in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
Next up, I'm just going to fill the sink with some hot water and Zoflora in the winter morning scent. It smells so beautiful, and I feel like I've not done this in so long because I've been trying to use up the last of my flash spray. I've just been using that every day, and I haven't been filling the sink with Zoflora water. And if you've been here before, you know that I love doing this because it makes the whole room smell beautiful. So I'm just going to use that diluted water to wipe over all of the sides, cupboards, drawers and everything, and just make sure everything is nice and disinfected, ready for the day, and just leaving the whole kitchen smelling beautiful.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel like I chill in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
I always feel instantly better as soon as the kitchen's done. I don't know what it is, but a huge weight gets lifted as soon as my kitchen is nice and clean. So once that's done, I then head through and do the hoovering. I really hope that you have enjoyed today's video and that you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Please do consider subscribing to my channel because I would love to have you here, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
Where did it begin?